Okay, hello, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a very basic Discord bot. So to start with preparation, I have a empty Discord server here with nobody else in besides me. I tested it before with my bot, and I'll be showing you how to make this in this video. So to start with, I'm gonna make this bot in Python. So you're gonna have to have Python installed. So to start with, go to this link, Discord. You need to be logged in on your account here, discord.com/developer/applications, and this is where you can create a Discord application. So on the top here, new application. You can make a bot. So I called mine AI bot for automate everything bot. Create. So the next step will be going to the OAuth part here, and here you can define what type of application you're making. So in our case, a bot. So we just press bot here, and then bot permissions, like whatever permissions the bot is going to need. So I'll make a very basic bot that just sends messages, manages messages, something like that. Read messages, I don't really care. But if you want a more advanced bot, you can give it admin privileges, ban and kick people, stuff like that. Okay. So now we will be going to the bot part here. Bring your app to life by adding a bot user. This action is irreversible, so this is actually making the user for the bot. You just press add, you press yes. It's that easy. Now we have a bot. We can just give him a picture, give him a logo. I don't really care about that now. Here's more permissions. I think this is for the bot user, but it should be the same, I think. So this doesn't really matter. And now we have our bot created, and now we can go on the just check where this is. We can invite our bot. I just need to remember where to do it. I think it's in the OAuth tab, and then where is it? Is it here? Is it just copy? I think it's just copy, yeah. So you just define the scopes and you define the permissions, and then you can copy, paste this in your browser. And there we go. AI bot wants to join my server here. Select the server. Give him permissions. He needs these permissions. Authorize. I am a human. And there we go. My bot has joined my server now. Here he is. He's offline right now. So now we're gonna actually code a very basic bot. So I'm gonna open up a Visual Studio Code project here. I'm gonna go open folder, and I'm just gonna create a new folder here called Discord bot. Let's create a new file, bot.py. Now we will need the Discord Python library. So we will install it through pip. So my pip version, in case you're wondering, I don't think it really matters, it's this. So I'm running Python 3.9 with pip 20.2. So what you're gonna do now is, I think it's like this, Python, this might be Python 3 for you, I think I have it configured as Python. Do -m pip install. This is per user, I think, otherwise it's on your entire system, depends on what you want. Discord.py, and this just downloads the Discord library and installs it. System cannot find the file specified. So I'm not I feel like it didn't install. might need without the dash u. Okay, there we go. It installed now. Okay. So now we'll import Discord after installing it. We're going to need OS as well. This is the standard Python library. Discord is obviously what we just installed. And then we can do create a client with discord.client. And then we're gonna make a function. It's async on ready, and then we will print bot has logged in. So we need to annotate this with a with an @ sign on client event here, or it's client.event actually. And so yeah, this is just a function that when the bot is ready, it will print bot has logged in. And now let's just make a very basic event for the bot. So we do client.event, async defined on message, let's say if the message author is the current client, so if the message author is the bot, then we don't want to do anything, because otherwise we're going to create an infinite loop. You know, if the bot says something and then the bot replies to itself, then he's going to reply to himself infinitely, so we don't want that. But if the message isn't from the bot, let's say the content is so let's say it starts with hey, and then we do an async call await message channel send. So the bot will send back hello. Now this already works. This is how easy it is to program a bot. Now the only thing is, when you run this program, it obviously doesn't know what your bot is. You need to give it permissions to your bot, and it's when we do it like this, client run, and then it's the token here. So I have an OS because I usually put this in like an environmental variable, but for now we can actually just, I think we might be able to just put it straight into here. So let's go back to our bot here, and let's go to bot, and here's the token. You can reveal your token, just copy it, put the token in here like this. I think this should already do it, not entirely sure. Let's do python bot.py. Let's run it. Bot has logged in. So it seems to work, so let's see if it actually works. Let's type hey, and there we go, he responds with hello. So it's that easy. You can look up the Discord bot developer documentation, I think, and then there's somewhere there's all like the different commands. Maybe we need to put Python behind it. API reference, there we go. So if you want to know like the commands that I'm using here, right, how I'm using message.content, message.channel, stuff like this, you can find all of this in here, okay, in the Discord py.readthedocs.io. Just go there and you can see, there's different methods, delete invites, fetch users, fetch invites, fetch guilds, fetch channels, get users, get emojis. You can do all kinds of stuff. Very cool. But yeah, I think this is enough for this video. It's just how to set up your bot, how to make him join a channel, and some very basic functionality. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and if you didn't, let me know why. If you want me to like make a more advanced bot, or If you have some specific requests, just let me know, and thanks for watching.